In this video, I'll show you how to make this beautiful flower vector in Illustrator using the Blend tool. It will be swift and easy. So let's get started. First, I will create a 1920 by 1080 points document. We will first make the fill color off and change the stock color from black to red. And the point from 1 to 4. Then we will take the ellipse tool and press Alt plus Shift to draw a circle like this. Then press Alt and drag right like this. Then we will mark the two together and intercept them with the Pathfinder tool. Now with the shape selected, take the Rotate tool and press Alt and click mouse left on anchor, and we will copy it at a 15 angle. Now we will press Ctrl plus D from the keyboard. Now select them all and group them by clicking the right mouse button. The horizontally aligned center will be made vertically aligned center. Now, click this shape, go to the Edit option and copy it, and again go back to Edit and paste it back in. Then press Alt plus Shift to transform it and make it smaller like this. And we'll click on our big shape and change the color from red to yellow. Now by pressing Ctrl plus to select all. And then go to Object, then go to Blend, and then go to Blend Options. Select specific steps and make it 150, then hit OK. Then again go to Blend and click on Make. Now your flower design is ready. Thanks for watching the full video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.